Electricity outages impact buildings as well as the fueling infrastructure that delivers energy resources for power generation and transportation. Florida's fueling infrastructure includes oil refineries, natural gas processing plants, pipelines, terminals, and refueling stations, which are all vulnerable to natural disasters, physical human threats, choke points, and interdependencies between the various systems. Resilient buildings need a backup source of power. However, before considering the options available, a building's energy load should first be reduced. In commercial buildings, energy use is dominated by heating, cooling, and ventilation needs, followed by lighting and office equipment. A commercial building energy audit, such as ASHRAE Level 2, can provide a roadmap to cost-effective ways to reduce a building's energy load. The audit includes analyzing fuel use, energy consumption areas, utility rate change opportunities, and the building's operational characteristics. The resulting detailed scope of work includes a cost and savings analysis, any changes to operation and maintenance procedures, and health and safety recommendations. After optimizing a building's energy use, alternative fuels to consider for a building's resiliency plan are natural gas, propane, solar plus storage, and electric vehicles. As seen in past hurricanes, electricity is most likely to be disrupted first, petroleum pipelines next, and then natural gas pipelines. Both propane and natural gas generators are available to replace diesel and gasoline generators. The redundancy of natural gas pipelines and the logistics of propane delivery present opportunities to use these fuels in backup power generation for facilities. Although access to a fuel line is needed for natural gas, this may not be an issue for commercial properties that are already using natural gas for other purposes. Propane arrives by rail. It can be stored on site and accessed quickly. It allows for mobile fueling, and it can be stored indefinitely since it doesn't degrade. Solar electric systems, also called photovoltaics or PV, are a feasible and cost-effective option. Battery storage allows the PV system to charge the batteries during the day and provide energy to the building's critical load during an interruption in utility service. A Solar Plus storage system provides this benefit to a facility without the reliance of any external services. Another emerging distributed resource is the electric vehicle battery. As the capacity of electric vehicle batteries has increased, the concept of harnessing the stored energy for use in buildings has become a reality. Bidirectional charging, which allows an EV battery to both receive and discharge electricity, can provide backup power to a building, as well as help manage the building's electrical load during periods of high demand. The design of a resilient power backup system should include protection from wind forces, flooding, and salt intrusion. It should also provide proper ventilation where needed. A periodic maintenance schedule, as well as monitoring and startup, are required to ensure that power will be available when it's needed. Resilient power systems must have a backup source of energy and operate independently of the grid until critical services can be restored. Natural gas, propane, photovoltaics, and batteries are less impacted during a natural disaster and should be considered as a viable alternative. Reducing a building's energy load is an important first step to increasing its resilience.